Imagine standing on a launch pad, watching a massive rocket as tall as a 20-story building blast off into the sky with a roar that literally shakes the ground beneath your feet. It shoots up into space, delivers its cargo into orbit, and then, instead of falling into the ocean and turning into expensive space trash like rockets have done for decades, something absolutely crazy happens. The main booster turns itself around, fires its engines again, and comes flying backward right down toward Earth, landing perfectly upright on a tiny floating platform in the middle of the sea, completely ready to fly again next week. It sounds like a scene from a futuristic sci-fi movie, but this happens in real life all the time. This is the world of SpaceX, founded by billionaire Elon Musk in the early 2000s. This wild company completely disrupted the entire space industry, turning a slow, government-run field into a fast, exciting adventure. Today, we are diving into the ultimate beginner's guide to SpaceX. And by the end of this, you will understand exactly how they made space travel cool again and how they plan to change the human race forever. To really get what makes SpaceX so special, you have to understand how crazy expensive space used to be. For over 50 years, building a rocket was a one-time deal. Governments would spend hundreds of millions of dollars building a beautiful, high-tech machine, fly it once for a few minutes, and then let the most expensive parts burn up in the atmosphere or crash into the deep ocean. It was exactly like buying a brand new commercial airplane, flying it from New York to London, and then throwing the entire plane in the garbage after a single flight. Elon Musk looked at this math and realized that if humanity ever wanted to explore the stars, we had to build reusable rockets. Everyone in the space industry told him it was mathematically impossible and completely insane. But SpaceX went to work anyway. And after a bunch of dramatic, fiery explosions that nearly bankrupted the company, they finally perfected the Falcon 9 rocket, proving the doubters wrong and cutting the cost of reaching space by an absolute mile. The absolute workhorse of this revolution is a rocket called the Falcon 9, named after the Millennium Falcon from Star Wars. It has flown hundreds of successful missions, launching massive satellites, space telescopes, and cargo up to the International Space Station. But SpaceX didn't stop at just launching cargo. They built a sleek, futuristic capsule called the Crew Dragon, complete with touchscreen controls and stylish, custom-fitted spacesuits that look like they came straight out of a Hollywood movie. With this capsule, SpaceX became the first private company in human history to launch actual astronauts into space, breaking a monopoly that government agencies had held since the dawn of the space age. But SpaceX isn't just about launching things from Earth. They are also building a massive digital web around our entire planet called Starlink. If you have ever lived in a rural area, on a boat, or out in the middle of nowhere, you know that getting a good internet connection can be a total nightmare. SpaceX decided to solve this by launching an absolute army of thousands of tiny, flat satellites into low Earth orbit. These satellites form a giant, interconnected constellation in the sky, beaming high-speed, reliable internet down to every single corner of the globe, from the deepest jungles to the frozen wilderness of Antarctica, proving that space technology can directly improve the daily lives of millions of people right here on the ground. All of these achievements, however, are just stepping stones for the company's ultimate, mind-blowing dream: building a self-sustaining city on the planet Mars. To do this, SpaceX is currently developing the largest, most powerful flying machine ever built by human hands. A colossal rocket ship simply called Starship, this monster is twice as big as the historic Saturn V rocket that sent humans to the moon. And it is designed to be 100% reusable, capable of carrying 100 people at a time across the freezing void of deep space. Testing this giant has been a wild, spectacular roller coaster ride, filled with massive, fiery test flights over the coast of Texas. But every single mistake gives their engineers the data they need to push the boundaries of what is possible. The culture inside SpaceX is completely different from a traditional aerospace company. Instead of spending 10 years planning a single launch on paper, they follow a philosophy of moving fast and breaking things. They build prototypes as quickly as possible, fly them until they blow up, figure out what went wrong, and build a better version the very next week. This aggressive, rapid experimentation is exactly why they have managed to outpace giant governments and massive, established corporations in such a short amount of time, turning the company into a magnet for the brightest young engineers on the face of the planet. Ultimately, SpaceX is a beautiful, inspiring reminder of what humanity can achieve when we refuse to accept that something is impossible. They took a stagnant, slow-moving industry and injected it with raw excitement, bold ambition, and a touch of madness. They proved to the entire world that space isn't just a place for history books or old government programs, but a vibrant, unfolding frontier that belongs to the dreamers of today. So, the next time you look up at the night sky and see a train of bright Starlink satellites drifting overhead, or watch a massive booster land flawlessly on a ship at sea, don't just think of it as a cool piece of machinery. Remember that you are watching the very first chapters of humanity's journey to become a multi-planetary species, standing as a timeless reminder that our future among the stars is closer than it has ever been before. Thanks for watching.